Hi friends, look at this. Today I have Arduino UNO R4 EC, the proud of India EC. So this Arduino UNO R4 EC I want to run using PictoBlox. Let's see. So I will go to PictoBlox, I will go to block and look for the board. Device, Quirky, Whisper, Arduino UNO Mega, Nano. Oh no, there is no Arduino UNO R4 EC. What can we do for this? Should we wait for the PictoBlox to publish this? Should we send a mail to them? Or because we know how the serial port works, can we do something about it and make a Arduino UNO R4 EC plugin or board support and give it as a gift to PictoBlox? What do you say? Are you ready for the exciting journey? Let's jump right in. So in order to do that, let's try to understand how PictoBlox board works, how they communicate from the PictoBlox block to operate the board. So for that, let me take it out for a moment and bring something that is familiar to PictoBlox. So I will bring Arduino UNO. You already have a support, right? So now I will connect this Arduino UNO with my computer, and it's okay. It's up now. Let me pull it up a little bit, and fine. So now what can we do? We need to check how the communication happens. Let's study for some time and then we will see how to implement that. So Arduino UNO I selected, and then here is the one I connected. Hope you know how I am doing, otherwise you can follow the previous videos to know. And then let me keep it here. I'm not using Toby for now, so let me keep it here. Yeah, okay. So now I want to see how really PictoBlox communicates with this Arduino. So let me try to run a code. For a simple blink, Arduino UNO, digital pin, high, low, 2 delay, 1, 2, 1 high, 1 low, stitch by delay, connect. Let's trigger. So it should blink, right? But I see the light is not blinking. The LED is glowing in constant brightness. It's not following this, and instead this light is blinking in 1 second, every 1 second. What is this light? This is the RX. That means something is being sent from here at every 1 second to this Arduino. That's why the RX pin means the receiver pin of Arduino is keep blinking. So what they are sending, let's try to analyze. So now we will stop it, and to prove this concept, what I will do, first let me keep only one item here and just click on this, and I see again the RX pin is blinking at every 1 second. Do you see that? So yeah, because of the frame rate, maybe the camera frame rate you are not able to see, but yeah, I can see it's blinking in every 1 second. Let me increase this to 0.1, means 100 millisecond. Now it should be as fast as 100 millisecond. Now you should see a lot of blinks. So now you see it's keep blinking. So actually, if I confirm you from here, it's blinking really fast, because my frame rate of this video capture is 20 frames per second. You're not able to see all the clicks, but it's happening. So that means every this much interval he is actually sending something through the serial port to this device. Now I have removed the delay completely, and you see it's constantly glowing without any blink. That means that's the clue. So that means PictoBlox is using serial port for communicating between PictoBlox and the Arduino. But how it's really happening? How can we know what they are really sending so that we can implement our own implementation? But before that, there is one more catch. It's not working. First of all, it's not blinking, but what we want, the real light, that for pin number 13 is not blinking. Why? So for that we need to upload this firmware. So first upload the firmware. So it's doing some magic, and see the TX and RX, both pins are glowing bright, while this guy is saying I am transferring, and it's upload successful. And then you see TX and RX pin are off. That means something has gone inside the Arduino using this upload firmware. And now let me try this, and now you can see the 13 pin number 13 LED, test LED, and the TX pin, I mean the RX pin, they both are blinking at the same time. That means the signal, some signal is coming from, originating from this block and reaching there every 1 second, and that is making this pin number 13 blink. So we are not interested on this pin number 13 blink, that is the outcome of our result, our code. We are interested on what is exactly going in this TX pin, what is exactly going into the serial port, through the serial port to the Arduino, for what he is taking this action of glowing the light or something else, if I replace it with some other block from here. So I have many blocks, right? Set digital, read analog. So they might be sending something through the serial pin. So what's exactly happening? Let's try to understand with a story. Are you excited? So please wait for the next video.